African real estate is a marketplace for all. That means if you want to sell a unit, you can always go to the marketplace, add a listing, and you'll get a client from the portfolio that we have. On the other hand, if you want to buy a unit like this one, you can always go to the marketplace, select a unit from the thousands of units that have been posted there, and call the number in the description. What makes African real estate very successful is the support that we get from you guys. And this unit was purchased by one of you, and the team is very happy about it. Makofi kwetu. Before we get started, we want to congratulate the client who bought this unit, and we are very happy for you because whatever you have here is a gem. As you can see, this is a very beautiful unit. This unit has been constructed on a 50 by 70 lot of land, and this unit comes with a plinth area of 145 square meters. This is a beautiful unit, very well done. And as some of you have already noticed, the unit comes with frameless windows. My cameraman was asking me a very funny question. If this was a phone, what phone would it be? Would it be an iPhone or a Samsung? Make sure you comment down there. As you can see, the entrance porch is very beautiful. I like the size of this door because it is very strong and durable, and it is big enough to allow you to get your furnitures inside with ease. The beauty of this home has been complemented by the colors the developer applied and the greenery that comes with this unit. On my far left, you can see that you are getting your front yard. Right now you have some plants and you have your green spaces, and on my far left you have that walkway that takes you to the rear side of this unit where you have the roundray area, and it joins to the backyard on the other side. From there, you can be assured that the security of this estate is uncompromisable. First, you are getting an external perimeter wall, and you also have an internal perimeter wall which comes with a razor wire and an electric fence. In combination with this sliding gate, the security is on another level. As you can see, from there you are getting your privacy intact. If you are loving this video so far, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm taking all of you inside. I would love to give you a tour of the living room as it is, but I feel that the beauty has been compromised. And in remembrance of the first chapter of the Bible, God created darkness and light. So let there be light. Beautiful space, right? As you can see, this is the living room of this space. It has been done very well, and I like it that it is wide enough for a 6-seater to a 9-seater couch. One thing that is very easy when you have such a space, it is very easy to orient your furniture in any direction. One thing that you must note is that this home comes with very big windows, and they are giving you maximum natural light. I like it that the developer included this transparent door. It is a metal casement for security purposes, but you still have these spaces that are giving you enough light. On the opposite side, this is where you should have your dining area, and you are getting this massive window, and the beauty that you can see from there will be on the dining space. The staircase will take you to the upper level. That is the roof deck, and one thing that I have noticed is that it has been done by mahogany wood. The quality and the craftsmanship of this work is on another level. On my far front, you are getting a vanity setup, and this is for you to clean your hand before you prepare to enjoy your ugali. This is where your hand wash and your wipes will be kept. I like it that the dining area is joining to the kitchen, and you have this platform that can be used as a minibar or a breakfast table. From there, you can see that the kitchen has been done very well. I am fascinated by the blend of the dark ceramic walls and the dark granite in contrast to the white cabinetry. The unit comes with a double sink. I like it that the tilting faucet is very usable, and you have this extended mouthpiece for you to rinse your utensils. The pantry of this kitchen is behind me. I like it that it has been partitioned to fit all your dry foods, and this is the controller of the electric fence. On my far right here, you have a door that takes you to the laundry area. I'll show you that. Here you have an extra cabinetry for your kitchen storage. What I like about it is that you have these drawers for your cutlery and your crockery, and you have this space for your oven, and above it you have another space for your microwave. Before I show you the laundry area, I love the spherical directional lights that amplify the beauty of this countertop. I'll show you the laundry area. This unit comes with 2 laundry spaces. This is a request by the client who purchased this unit. The actual laundry area should be on the roof deck, but I like it that the developer was able to give the client what they want. The laundry area comes with 2 sockets on my far front for your washer and dryer. A shade will be installed here, and you have an extra tap on this other side. I'm taking all of you back inside. One thing that is very important is the beauty that you get from this staircase. How it was done is something that still fascinates me. On my far front, you have the bedroom area of this unit, and from here you can easily access the 3 bedrooms. On my far right, you have the primary bedroom. On my far left, you have the first and the second bedrooms, and behind me you have the common washroom. At the entrance of the common washroom, you have a small vanity, and this is the common washroom. It is not the biggest, but it is practical and usable. Let's see the first bedroom. The first bedroom is the tiniest, but it has been done very well, and it comes with this beautiful closet. What I like from this developer is that he has not compromised on quality when you come to the bedrooms. Most developers do a very good sitting space, dining space, and kitchen space, but when you come to the bedrooms, this one is perfect. You can see that you are getting your side lights. You have a very nice center light. The gypsum ceilings have been done very well, and on this other side you have a massive window. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and I want you to note the size. From here, you can see that the bathroom comes with a vanity setup behind me. You have a water closet at the center, and on this side, you have your showering area. A shower cubicle will be installed here. We are just waiting for the glass panes. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one. It comes with a slightly bigger closet and a slightly bigger bathroom. But I'm not going to show you that because the owner is keeping some of their personal stuff. From here, I'm showing you the primary bedroom. Come with me. The primary bedroom is the biggest bedroom in this unit, and as you can see from there, this space will be enough for you and your partner. Another thing to note about this bedroom is that it comes with the biggest closet in this unit, and on my far front you have the bathroom to this bedroom. I'll show you that later. Light is very important in any contemporary development, and if you want to make sales right now, you must give people what they want. And what you guys want right now is a unit that combines indoor-outdoor environment, and this developer is giving you exactly that. Something very important before I show you the bathroom is that the closet of this unit comes very well lit, just to make sure that you can easily select your clothes during the night. The bathroom is here. It is the biggest. I like it that it comes with this beautiful wash basin and a vanity. Here you have your WC, and on the other side you have your showering area. This is the biggest showering area in this unit. It's not big enough for a bathtub, but it is practical, very usable, and very well managed. From the primary bedroom, I'm taking all of you to the roof deck, and I can't wait to use the staircase. I'm excited! It feels nice. The roof deck covers a plinth area of 120 square meters. Do you know how much you can do with such a space? The owner is planning to do a bungalow here, and he wants to add a barbecue area on the other side. This is where you should have your laundry area, add your clotheslines area. But what I like about this space is the views that you are getting, the feeling of the sun. From here you can get the sun directly from heaven. The greenery is magnifying the beauty, and the freshness of the air is on another level. If you can see from there, I'm getting my oxygen directly from the source. Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, that's all for this roof deck. If you enjoy working out, this is where you'll be doing your yoga. Anyway, we are done with the review. And if you have enjoyed it, make sure you give us a like. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so. That's all for today. I'll let you go. Let me continue with my workout.